Welcome to the curiosities and extremes of the quiet Earth climate. When we talk about Earth's climate, we often focus on chaos, hurricanes, droughts, floods, and the warming trend shaking ecosystems worldwide. Dramatic footage, yes, but it can make us forget that the planet also experiences moments of profound stillness, odd anomalies, and quiet climate extremes that defy typical expectations. From the poles to the tropics, from mountaintops to the ocean depths, our planet holds pockets of surprising calm amidst the tumult. Join me as we journey to these remarkable places where silence speaks volumes about the intricate workings of Earth's climate. Our first stop takes us to the southernmost continent, a place of breathtaking beauty and unforgiving cold. Here on the high plateaus of East Antarctica lies a place where temperatures plummet to extremes rarely seen anywhere else on Earth. In 2018, satellites recorded an extraordinary cold snap. A chilling 144 degrees Fahrenheit or 98 degrees Celsius. This bone-chilling temperature recorded near Dome Fuji is a testament to the extremes the Earth's climate can reach. The air is so cold it seems to crackle. The landscape sculpted by winds that bite with a ferocity few can withstand. Yet, life, tenacious as it is, still finds a way. Our exploration of quiet extremes now leads us to the Atacama Desert of northern Chile. This otherworldly landscape, a canvas of rust-colored sand dunes and towering volcanoes, is often dubbed the driest place on Earth. Imagine, if you will, a place where rain is not a yearly occurrence, not even a once-in-a-generation event. Some parts of the Atacama have not received a single drop of rain in recorded history. The silence here is almost deafening, broken only by the whisper of wind-blown sand. Yet even in this parched environment, life persists. Specialized plants and animals have adapted to survive on the barest traces of moisture. Their resilience a testament to the power of life to endure, even in the face of extraordinary challenges. Our journey now takes us from the arid desert to the open ocean, where we encounter another kind of stillness, the eerie calm of the doldrums. This region, also known as the Intertropical Convergence Zone, straddles the equator like a belt of quietude. Here, the trade winds of the northern and southern hemispheres collide, cancelling each other out and creating an area of remarkably little wind. Sailors of old dreaded the doldrums, for their ships could be becalmed for days or even weeks. The sails slack, the ocean a glassy mirror reflecting the relentless sun. But this stillness is deceptive. Beneath the surface, the ocean teems with life, and the lack of wind allows for unique ecosystems to flourish. From the windless doldrums we travel to the highlands of Kenya, a land of rolling hills, fertile farmlands, and a remarkably stable climate. Here in the shadow of Mount Kenya lies a region where the weather seems to stand still. Temperatures in places like Nairobi and Nyeri rarely stray from a pleasant range of 50 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, or 10 to 27 degrees Celsius year-round. There are no harsh winters, no scorching summers, just a gentle rhythm of seasons marked by predictable rainfall patterns. This consistency has allowed for unique ecosystems to evolve, with plant and animal life adapted to a life without dramatic climatic swings. Our quest for quiet extremes now takes us high above the clouds, to the summit of Mauna Loa, a towering volcano on the big island of Hawaii. Here, perched above the inversion layer that traps pollutants closer to the ground, sits one of the most important atmospheric monitoring stations in the world, the Mauna Loa Observatory. The air here is renowned for its purity, largely undisturbed by the hustle and bustle of human activity. It is here that scientists have been meticulously tracking atmospheric carbon dioxide levels since the 1950s, creating the iconic Keeling curve, a stark visual representation of our planet's warming trend. In 1815, Mount Tambora, a volcano in Indonesia, erupted with a fury seldom seen in recorded history. The eruption, one of the most powerful ever documented, ejected millions of tons of ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, casting a veil over the planet and disrupting weather patterns worldwide. The following year, 1816, became known as the year without a summer. Across Europe and North America, temperatures plummeted, crops failed, and widespread famine ensued. Yet, amidst this global climate chaos, there were pockets of relative calm. Some regions experienced surprisingly normal weather, their skies clear, while others were shrouded in volcanic haze. Chapter 7. The Ocean's Eternal Calm. Mariana Trench's Silent Depths. Our journey now takes us from the turbulent skies to the deepest point on Earth, the Challenger deep in the Mariana Trench. Plunging to a depth of almost 7 miles, or over 11,000 meters, this abyssal realm is a place of perpetual darkness, crushing pressure, and, surprisingly, remarkable stillness. Here, far removed from the storms that rage on the surface, the waters are eerily calm, undisturbed by the currents and waves that shape the world above. Temperatures hover just above freezing, and the only sounds are the creaks and groans of the Earth's crust and the occasional otherworldly calls of deep-sea creatures uniquely adapted to this extreme environment. Chapter 8. The longest recorded calm wind period, Cape Verde, 1963. Our exploration of quiet extremes takes us back to the ocean, this time to the islands of Cape Verde off the coast of West Africa. In 1963, these islands experienced a meteorological anomaly, 8 consecutive days of absolutely no wind. For scientists studying air movement over oceans, this period of prolonged calm provided an unprecedented opportunity to gather data. With no wind to complicate measurements, they were able to study the subtle movements of air masses, gaining valuable insights into atmospheric circulation patterns and how they influence weather patterns on a global scale. Chapter 9. Earth's Quietest Warming. The Subsurface Ocean Heat Trend. Our journey now takes us beneath the waves, into the vast, interconnected network of Earth's oceans. While the surface of the ocean is a dynamic, ever-changing environment, the depths are a place of surprising stability, yet even here, change is afoot. For decades, Earth's oceans have been quietly absorbing the excess heat trapped by greenhouse gases, acting as a massive heat sink, buffering the planet from the full brunt of climate change. This absorption is happening largely out of sight in the deep ocean, where temperatures are rising slowly but relentlessly. Chapter 10. The most silent place for climate records, ice cores in Antarctica. Our final destination takes us back to the frozen continent of Antarctica, a place that holds within its icy depths a silent record of Earth's climate history. For centuries, snow has fallen on Antarctica, accumulating layer upon layer, year after year, trapping air bubbles from the atmosphere as it compresses into ice. Scientists drill deep into these ice sheets, extracting long cylinders of ice known as ice cores. These cores are like time capsules, preserving ancient air, dust, and even volcanic ash, allowing scientists to reconstruct past climates with remarkable accuracy. Outro, The Quiet Earth, a Symphony of Subtleties. As we've seen, the concept of the quiet Earth is deceptive. Silence doesn't always mean calm, and stillness doesn't mean safety. Whether it's the eerie calm before a volcano erupts or the slow rise of subsurface ocean heat, Earth's quietest moments often carry profound power. But they also reveal something beautiful. In between the chaos of hurricanes and droughts, there are corners of the planet where the climate whispers instead of roars. Understanding these places helps us appreciate the full spectrum of Earth's climate and reminds us to listen, not just react, because sometimes the biggest changes come in silence.